In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble, glaze and fit the doors onto an 8 Series Eden greenhouse. First off, you'll need to grab the rest of your part out of your front box. You'll have your door styles, your door heads and your door panels. Now we're going to lay our parts out. When you're laying your door styles, make sure that the latch and catch meet in the middle. The flat part of your latch should be facing your door head. Grab your instructions and your nuts and bolts and preload your door styles as per this diagram. As your door handle is pre-attached on your door style, you'll need to make sure that you load the right amount of bolts on either side. First, we'll need to attach our door head to the door styles. Make sure that your wheels are facing upwards. Line your door head up with the first 2 bolts on your door style. Make sure that the angle in your door head runs flush with your door styles. Fit them into place and secure with the nut. Once you have it fitted on, tighten it up with your spanner. Next, you'll need to fit your bottom door panel. Make sure that the lip is facing up and oriented towards your door head. Once you've fitted your panel over your bolts, run it flush with the bottom of your door styles and secure with the nut. Tighten your bottom 2 bolts with your tool, but leave your top 2 reasonably loose so you can slide your next panel into the lip. Line your 3rd door panel up over top of your handle. Your handle should fit between the screw. For your final door panel, line the bottom of the lip up with the bottom of your door head. Repeat the same process for your second door. Grab your glazing rubber and your glazing tool out of your glass box and I'll show you how to install it into the door styles. Place your glazing rubber on the outer groove of your door style and run it into place using your glazing tool. Once you get to the end, just trim it off where it meets your door panel. Now that we have the rubber in place, we can install the glass. Slide your glass pane underneath the lip of your bottom door panel. Because we have various models of glass houses, sometimes your glass will sit flush with the bottom of the door panel and sometimes it will sit on top like this. Secure your glass pane with 4 glazing clips. Install your second piece of glass under the lip of your middle panel. Use another 4 glazing clips to secure your second pane of glass. Repeat these same glazing steps for the second door. In your glass box, you'll find these door guides that get attached to the bottom of your door. To attach these, you need to remove the nut off your bottom bolt of your door. Fit it into place and reattach using the nut and the washer. You'll notice that your door guide has a slotted hole. This makes it height adjustable within the door track. Now we have everything in place, go around and tighten all your bolts up. To fit your doors on, you'll need to remove both track supports. Slide your door into place with your wheels sliding into your top track and your door guide sliding into your bottom sill. Once you've fitted your doors onto your glass house, if they're not quite meeting in the middle, these top wheels are adjustable. You can loosen off this bolt to adjust the position of the wheel to remedy your door placement. Once you've fitted your doors up nicely, you can reattach your track support. Congratulations, you're all done. A brand new Eden greenhouse to extend your growing season all year round.